Alright, so today we are gonna make some wild, spicy buffalo burritos, and they're vegan.
More carrots. Don't tear it.
And I know what you're thinking, man, this guy makes a lot of burritos. And yes, I do. I'm using field roast buffalo wings, which of course we know they are vegan. Typically I don't use mock meats, but this was at a good price and I decided why not get some of those and make burritos. Since I've never eaten meat, to me, mock meats are not important, but I know to a lot of people it might be interesting to have something that resemble what they're used to eating, such as meats or whatever. This uses some sort of sausage with a batter, and we fry them and throw in some buffalo sauce. I'm only gonna do half a pack. As you can see, I've already opened and tried them, because as soon as I got these, my wife was dying to try them. To be honest, they were pretty good. So now we're gonna prepare these while we prepare the beans, carrots. What I'm gonna do is, usually in a burrito, I like to have some sort of like either chopped cabbage or greens for a crunch. However, I didn't have any. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put some peeled carrots in the food processor and grind them really well. And of course, you put whatever quantity you want. And as you can see, they came out pretty finely chopped. I did put a link to it, to this food chopper, in the description below. Nifty and great little tool. Stainless steel, you can use the bowl for different things. Of course, you gotta remove the blades. Now let's prep some beans. Heat up full can of chili beans and a drained can of red kidney beans. These two make a great combination. The chili bean is basically pinto beans with spices already. The kidney beans, it's just the kidney beans. There's no spices, no nothing. Just a tad bit of sea salt. To make it a little bit thicker, I mashed some of the beans. Of course, you make them however you want. I like to add a little bit of spice, but not too much, because we know that the buffalo wings are gonna be a bit spicy. Add some cayenne, just a little bit. Now let's prep the vegan buffalo wings. Let's set the beans aside and work on the wings. A little bit of oil in the skillet. So I usually get about 12 pieces in the container. I have 6 left because we cooked half the pack. And what we gotta do is fry them till golden on each side. Meanwhile, you let the buffalo sauce soften up a bit. The direction says to put it in hot water for it to soften up, but I don't think you really need it. Just leaving out the time that takes for you to cook these, it will be pretty soft. And then you add this at the end. Just a few more minutes and then we add the sauce. Now a little healthy tip. Before you add the sauce, remove some of the oil. You don't want to mix that sauce with the oil. Oh, this one burned a little bit. So let's add the sauce. That's pretty much it. Let's set it aside. Now we steam some tortillas. I want to chop some onions and keep them aside. These burritos are going to be already packed with flavor, so I'm just putting a little bit of onions. All right, let's see here. Put some beans, some of the carrots. I'm not a crazy carrot lover, even though I'm vegan. But in this case, carrots just add a flavor and a texture to burritos that are on another level. 3 buffaloes, maybe a little bit more beans, but too little. some nutritional yeast. About a line, maybe a little bit more. Now to make this a more buffalo wing themed burrito, we're gonna add some vegan ranch sauce, just a little bit. These Follow Your Heart vegan ranch sauce, they're not exactly like the non-vegan version, but they have a cheesy flavor that just adds something great to burritos. There you have it. Let's try this bad boy out. Amazing flavor combination. The whole thing has such a great combination. Typically I say just to wing up with everything. If you make it just the way I made it, you will see how amazing this thing really is. It's got to be probably my favorite burrito and flavor combination I've ever done. Alright guys, if any of you made this, let me know down below how it came out.